Welcome to the overview of Udemy's coding courses. Udemy features popular languages like Python, JavaScript, and Java. Courses are designed with beginners in mind, using simple syntax and instant feedback. Many include AI-powered assistants to support your learning. Top-rated classes stay up to date with industry trends. Python's clear syntax and vast ecosystem make it suitable for learners and experts alike. Here is a classic Python syntax, a rich standard library, displays strong text, community support, Python code and versatility in web development, reducing the learning data science, and artificial intelligence. JavaScript runs natively in web browsers, allowing dynamic interactions without page reloads. It can manipulate the document object model to update content and structure dynamically. By listening to events like clicks, you can create interactive web interfaces. These features make JavaScript the core language for modern front-end development. In Java, a class acts as a blueprint defining fields and methods. An object is an instance of that blueprint with actual values. Inheritance lets a subclass like dog extend the superclass animal, reusing fields and methods. Polymorphism allows treating a dog as an animal, calling overridden methods at runtime. Encapsulation bundles data and behavior together, hiding fields and exposing public methods. Key takeaways: Java's object-oriented design promotes clean, reusable, and portable code. C# is a modern, strongly typed, object-oriented language developed by Microsoft as part of the cross-platform .NET ecosystem. Here's a simple C# program that prints Hello C# to the console. C# is widely used for Windows desktop applications, building scalable web services, game development in Unity, and creating cross-platform mobile apps. First, let's look at a basic HTML document structure. We declare the doc type, open the HTML tag, include head and body sections, and place content inside an H1 heading. Now, let's add a bit of CSS to style the page. We target the body selector, set a background color matching our theme, and define a text color for readability. Key takeaway: HTML lays out the structure, CSS styles the look, and together they form every web page you interact with. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is the standard for interacting with relational databases. The four main SQL commands are select to fetch, insert to add, update to change, and delete to remove data. Here is a simple example. Select name and age from students where their grade is above 85. SQL helps you organize and query relational data efficiently and works universally across database platforms. AI integration in coding courses accelerates learning. Learners get hands-on help generating code, debugging, and reviewing best practices. Frameworks and libraries provide ready-made code patterns and helper functions. They reduce boilerplate and help you build features faster. Here's a quick comparison. Without a framework, you write repetitive code. With React, you work with state and components, making UI updates easier. By adopting frameworks and libraries, you speed up development, avoid common pitfalls, and focus on building unique features. A hands-on full-stack to-do app project uses React for the user interface and Node.js for the server. Next, a data analysis case study teaches pandas for data manipulation and Matplotlib for clear visualizations. Finally, an AI chatbot project applies Python and natural language processing fundamentals to build interactive bots. These projects reinforce skills, illustrate workflows, and result in portfolio-ready work for real impact. For web development, JavaScript and TypeScript power the front-end and back-end frameworks. In data science and AI roles, Python and R offer extensive libraries and community support. For mobile app development, Kotlin and Java work for Android, while Swift is ideal for iOS. When performance and low-level control matter, C and C++ remain the go-to options. Key takeaway: pick a language that aligns with your industry and focus on core concepts to stay adaptable. Continuous learning helps you keep pace with rapid changes in programming languages and tools. Building small projects regularly reinforces knowledge, and community resources offer support and new insights. Udemy offers thousands of courses across technology, business, and creative fields, so you can find exactly what you need. Courses are taught by experienced professionals who bring real-world insights to your learning journey. You decide when and where to learn with lifetime access, letting you revisit materials anytime. Hands-on projects reinforce skills, and certificates showcase your achievements to employers. Overall, Udemy empowers you with expert-led, flexible learning and practical skills to advance your career. Looking ahead, demand for coding skills will keep rising in AI, cloud computing, web and mobile development, and data science. Languages like Python, Go, Rust, JavaScript, Kotlin, and TypeScript will lead the way. Beyond syntax, problem solving and adaptability are essential. Keep building projects and learning to stay ahead. Your coding journey is just beginning, so stay curious, keep practicing, and embrace continuous learning.